Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato lentil soup. First, let's get organized. You'll need 1 cup of red lentils, rinsed well, and 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Prepare your vegetables by dicing 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Finally, measure out 4 cups of vegetable broth. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and quicker. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they soften. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, letting them cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add the rinsed lentils, crushed tomatoes, and vegetable broth to the pot. Once all ingredients are in the pot, bring the soup to a gentle boil. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. The lentils should become tender, and the soup will naturally thicken. Finish by seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Your delicious tomato lentil soup is now ready. For a fresh touch, garnish each serving with some chopped fresh parsley or a dollop of plain yogurt. This soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread or a simple green salad. If you have any leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making for a convenient meal later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.